This video explains the Super VHS ET used in JVC camcorders and VCRs. Super VHS ET mode was a special recording technology created by JVC between 1998 and 2000. ET stands for Expansion Technology. This system was designed to help people save money while making better quality videos. Before this technology, people had to buy expensive S-VHS tapes to record high-quality videos. These tapes cost about twice as much as regular VHS tapes. With ET mode, people could use regular VHS tapes to record videos that looked almost as good as S-VHS. In camcorders, S-VHS ET allowed users to record high-quality video directly onto regular VHS-C tapes. The picture quality in ET mode was better than regular VHS, but not quite as good as true S-VHS. Regular VHS showed 240 lines of detail, while ET mode could show up to 400 lines. More lines meant a clearer, sharper picture. The system worked by changing how the video signal was recorded. It adjusted something called the white clip level, which controls how bright the brightest parts of the picture can be. It also changed how color and brightness signals were recorded on the tape. There were some drawbacks to using ET mode. It only worked in standard play mode, which meant you could only record for about 2 hours on one tape. Also, tapes recorded in ET mode sometimes didn't play well on non-JVC VCRs or camcorders. Users often had to adjust the tracking, which is like fine-tuning the picture, to get a good image. ET mode was only available on JVC equipment because they owned the technology. This meant you couldn't use this feature on camcorders or VCRs made by other companies like Sony or Panasonic. Despite these limitations, Super VHS ET mode was an important innovation. It helped make better quality video recording more affordable for regular people who couldn't spend extra money on expensive S-VHS tapes.
Simply click the link below to learn more.